You know why I don't want to see you. Remember when we went to the bay? You had your car, so we thought we'd go, since it was such a nice day. I remember walking with you too, not knowing what you had in mind. I closed my eyes to make your eyes, but opened them up to find you'd slipped away, and I wondered where. Thinking you'd return, I thought I would stay, but after a while you hadn't returned. Then it didn't seem such a nice day. I remember sitting there on the house, not knowing you had gone away. I was sitting there on my own, wiping the tears away. To ask me how I am, but I don't want to see you today. You said it was fun, but I cannot smile. I just wish that you